If you like to work with your hand, these days they have a lot of shortage in electrician. So please, if you're handy, they have a lot of school right now. They have community college and they have also trade school. What is trade school they will do? They will teach you exactly what you need to do, what's the law, what's the regulation, what the ethic in it, and you can use your hand. A lot of guys, they are scared to go to trade school because they say, oh, I cannot get the license. Okay, the exam is easy. Okay, it's multiple question exam, and mostly, and this is the most important part, they have a lot of school. They give you something that's called crash course. Crash course, mostly you don't have to read the book. They give you a question and answer, question and answer, question and answer. And if you know how to study question and answer, you're golden. And the electricians these days, they're making good money, and one of the good trade right now. Because these days, a lot of people, they don't want to work with them hand.